Have you ever wondered what artificial intelligence, or AI, really is? It sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie with talking robots and super smart computers. But the truth is, AI is already all around us, and it's not as complicated as you might think. Today, we're going to break it all down in AI for everyone. So, what is AI? At its core, artificial intelligence is simply about making machines smart. It's the science of teaching computers to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. Think about things like understanding language, recognizing images, making decisions, and solving problems. Instead of programming a computer with a rigid set of rules for every single situation, we teach it how to learn and adapt on its own. That's the magic of AI. Now you've probably heard a bunch of other buzzwords thrown around, like machine learning and deep learning. It can get confusing, but the relationship is actually quite simple. Imagine a set of Russian nesting dolls. The biggest doll is artificial intelligence. That's the whole field of making machines intelligent. Inside that doll, you'll find a slightly smaller one, machine learning. Machine learning is a specific way to achieve AI. Instead of explicitly programming the computer, we give it lots of data and let it learn patterns from that data. For example, to teach a computer to recognize cat pictures, we don't describe what a cat looks like. We just show it thousands of pictures labeled cat, and it figures out the features of a cat by itself. And what's inside the machine learning doll? An even smaller doll called deep learning. Deep learning is a supercharged, more advanced type of machine learning. It uses complex structures called neural networks, which are inspired by the human brain. These networks have many layers, and that's where the deep in deep learning comes from. This depth allows them to learn from massive amounts of data and recognize very intricate patterns. Deep learning is the powerhouse behind some of the most amazing AI advancements, like self-driving cars recognizing pedestrians and traffic lights, or voice assistants understanding the nuances of your speech. So, to recap, deep learning is a type of machine learning, which is a way to achieve artificial intelligence. Simple, right? Next, let us talk about the two main types of AI you all hear about, narrow AI and general AI. This is a really important distinction. What we have today is called narrow AI, or sometimes weak AI. This type of AI is designed and trained to perform one specific task very, very well. Your smartphone's voice assistant? That's narrow AI. It's great at answering questions, setting timers, and playing music. But if you ask it to write a novel or have a deep philosophical conversation, it's going to struggle. It operates within a limited, predefined range. The spam filter in your email is another great example. It's incredibly good at identifying and blocking junk mail, but that's all it does. It can't sort your laundry or help you with your taxes. Narrow AI is specialized, like a world-class chess player who only knows how to play chess. On the other hand, we have general AI or strong AI. This is the type of AI you see in movies. Like C-3PO from Star Wars or Samantha from the movie, her general AI would have human-like intelligence, consciousness, and the ability to understand, learn, and apply its knowledge to a wide range of tasks, just like a person can. It could learn to play the piano, then switch to solving a complex physics problem, and then have a meaningful chat about its feelings. The key here is flexibility and adaptability across different domains. Right now, general AI is purely theoretical. It's the ultimate goal for many researchers, but we are nowhere near achieving it. It remains the stuff of science fiction. For now. So, when you hear about amazing new AI breakthroughs, remember they are all advancements in narrow AI, making our specialized tools even smarter and more capable. You might be surprised to learn how much you already interact with AI every single day. It's seamlessly woven into the fabric of our digital lives. Let's start with your morning. You wake up and scroll through your social media feed. The content you see isn't random, and an algorithm has carefully curated it for you based on what you've liked, shared, and watched in the past. It's trying to show you things it thinks you'll find interesting to keep you engaged. Then you decide to watch a show or listen to some music. Platforms like Netflix, YouTube, and Spotify use powerful recommendation engines. These are AI systems that analyze your viewing and listening habits, compare them to millions of other users, and suggest what you might enjoy next. That because you watched feature? Pure AI work. Time to head out. You pull up a navigation app like Google Maps or Waze. How does it know the fastest route and predict your arrival time so accurately? AI. It analyzes real-time traffic data, historical traffic patterns, road closures, and even speed limits to calculate the most efficient path, updating it constantly as conditions change. Let's talk about online shopping. When you browse a site like Amazon, you will see sections like customers who bought this item also bought, or frequently bought together. This isn't just a lucky guess. It's as an AI analyzing vast amounts of purchasing data to identify patterns and suggest products you're more likely to buy. Even something as simple as your email is powered by AI. We mentioned spam filters, which are constantly learning to get better at catching unwanted messages. But also features like Smart Reply, which suggests quick responses to emails, are using AI to understand the context of the message and offer relevant one-click answers. And of course, we have voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. When you say, "Hey Siri, what's the weather like?" a complex AI process kicks in. First, it converts your speech into text. Then, it analyzes the text to understand your intent. Finally, it finds the information and delivers it back to you in a natural-sounding voice. From the Face ID that unlocks your phone to the filters that protect your bank account from fraudulent transactions to the simple act of searching for something online, AI is the invisible engine making so many of our modern conveniences possible, efficient, and personalized. It's not a futuristic concept. It's a present-day reality. So, let's bring it all together. We've learned that artificial intelligence is simply about creating smart machines that can perform tasks requiring human-like intelligence. We saw that machine learning is a key part of AI where computers learn from data. We saw that machine learning is a key part of data, is a key part of AI where computers learn from data. And deep learning is an even more powerful version of that, inspired by the human brain. We also clarified the difference between narrow AI, the specialized AI we use every day, and general AI, the all-powerful human-like intelligence that still belongs to the world of science fiction. And as we've seen, AI isn't some distant future technology. It's already here, working behind the scenes to recommend your next favorite song, guide you through traffic, and protect your inbox from spam. It's a powerful tool that is shaping our world in countless ways, making our lives more convenient and connected. The field of AI is moving incredibly fast, and what seems impossible today might be commonplace tomorrow. The future is full of exciting possibilities. We are just at the beginning of this incredible journey. Hopefully, this has cleared up some of the mystery and shown you that AI is something everyone can understand. Thanks so much for watching AI Videos Inc., artificial intelligence videos for everybody. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple explanations of complex topics. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to learn about next. See you in the next video.